I'm recording. Stop looking at me. Your presence is distracting. Mother. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. 2 months ago I ordered the Mulan palette, a blush, and a lipstick from ColourPop. And because of the situation, it finally arrived today. I've been waiting to film this video because I love Mulan and I love what ColourPop did with the collection. This is the box. Can we just look at the packaging, please? So pretty. The box is matte and the little drawings are glossy, so you see the contrast. When you open it, this is what it looks like. Focus! Oh, wow. Loyal, true, and brave, right? This is a blush that I got called Good Luck Charm. And then the lipstick, this feels heavy. Look at the packaging. It's a nude color called Mulan. These are all the products I got from this collection, and I also got a velvet sponge. Apparently it's supposed to spread your product better. Apparently it's supposed to use less product per use. And it's supposed to make it look more airbrushed. I don't know. That's what every sponge says. It's soft. I don't know. I'm gonna do my base and my eyebrows, and then I'm gonna come back when it's time for the eyeshadow. I'm back. I did my base, my foundation, and concealer. Now I'm gonna go prime my lids with the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer with my sponge because I don't have no brush. Ooh. So, I don't know what look I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try to use as many colors as I can, so I'll do 2 different eyes. I'm gonna go in with a Morphe M139 brush and go in the color Imperial as a transition color. Going in with the same brush, I'm gonna go in the color Honor, which is a darker brown. I don't see no difference. A little bit, never mind. I'm gonna go in the color True. True is a charcoal brown. Taking Imperial again, I'm just blending out the edges. I don't know where this is going. So to save this look, we're gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna take a Morphe M213 and go in the color Fighter and set that. Let's go for a shimmer. So I'm gonna go with the same brush, strike a match. Hold on. Take your finger. Oh! Oh! Whoa! Whoa! Oh! Whoa! Okay, I'm going in with True again, just to blend out the edges from the cut crease. And there's a little fallout on the pan, so just so you know about that. This is a normal nude cut crease that you can do with this. I'm gonna take Guiding Spirit. It's like a burgundy, red, copper, brown shade. And put that on my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna blend that out with the color Strength. Ugh. Other eye. I'm gonna take the color Strength as my transition color for this one. I'm gonna take the stamping brush and go into Guiding Spirit, deepen the outer corners. I'm gonna go in with my finger and I'm gonna go into Loyal. Whoa, it's this red glitter, but inside there are specks of gold. Oh, oh, I'm gonna bring it a little higher. I'm gonna take the color Like a Girl, that's another glitter. Ooh, and put that in the middle. Just pat that. My eyes are shiny. Whoa. Okay, this look is probably not the best, but I'm just gonna blend this out. I'm gonna use the little packer brush again. I'm gonna go back for my lower lash line in the color Strength. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush and blend that out with the, oh! Oh! I dipped once in Brave. Okay. I'm gonna take the little brush and go in Be Swift. It's a gold. And put that in the middle of my lower lash line. It's like gold flakes. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I like the red eye better. I'm coming back with mascara and lashes, and then we'll do the rest of the face. Okay, I like this side better, much better. I'm gonna take the blush and where's my blush? Blush brush. What? Fallout, lots of it. Ooh, I like this. On the pan it looked a little more like a bronzer, but on the cheek, it adds just natural color. Oh, I should have done my bronzer first. Contour. Oh shoot, I don't have my setting spray. I'm gonna use my highlighter. And lastly, I'll be using lipstick. It smells so good. Ah! It's so creamy. I really like the color. It almost looks like my natural lip color, which is just enhancing that, and I like that. I forgot I was filming for 2 seconds. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. I liked it. This eye I don't like because of the colors that I chose and the look, but in general I like the shadows. To be honest, right before I tried this collection, I didn't really care if I liked it or not because I just like the aesthetic of it. It's so pretty, but I liked it, which is a plus. And affordable and vegan. This is not sponsored. I didn't have the chance to use all of the colors, but I can swatch them right now. So let's use my arm as a human canvas. Holy sh! Whoa! And there you have it, my thoughts on the Mulan palette. I'm not a professional. I just say if I like it or not, that's it. But I'm pretty sure the whole collection was a limited edition. I checked back on the site and there were no more. So I'm glad to be one of the people who have purchased this collection. I like it. It's pretty. I will cherish this. I also have more videos coming up on this channel and on my vlog channel. Say vlog because it's just my other channel. I also have my China vlog from 2017 and my Vegas vlog from 2019 that I have not edited yet or haven't found the time to edit it yet. And so I will probably post that one day. Like I said, I don't know. I hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys are staying safe and I'll see you next time. Wait, bye. You can also follow me on social media if you want. Shameless plug. I'm into making TikToks.